Yeah, my partner was on this road. She did it, but 16 years ago.
Oh. So guys, we are about to reach Mandi और अभी we need to cover 119 kilometers. I know बहुत सारे questions है आपके पास कि मैं डोमिनार क्यों चला रहा हूँ, RS का है, उन सब के आंसर I'll give it to you, but first look at that view, amazing. और वो जो टेम्पल है ऊपर कितना शानदार लग रहा है, I can't tell you. और ये जो शेड्स बन रहे हैं, धूप छाँव, I just love it. मतलब ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स है जो मैं पहाड़ों पे देखता हूँ कि आप कोई पहाड़ देख रहे हो एंड देन ये शेड्स बन रहे हैं. दिस इज सुधाकर, माय राइडिंग बडी फॉर दिस ट्रिप. वी आर बेसिकली ऑफिस करी, आई मीन वी वर पहले एक साथ काम करते थे. नाउ आई हैव चेंज माय ऑफिस. आई मीन इन 2-3 सालों में बहुत कुछ हुआ, बहुत कुछ चेंज हुआ. तो या दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द चेंजेस एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द चेंजेस. ये तो बहुत बड़ा चेंज है, आई मीन या ऑब्वियसली, बट या so yes, we are pretty excited. 117 kilometers to go, 3 hours 54 minutes. और मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि मैं मनाली कर पाऊँगा, दो वी वर अ लिटिल लेट. इनिशियली प्लान था 4 बजे निकलने का. पैकिंग बैग्स लगाने में इतनी हालत ख़राब हुई कि 5 बज गए. बट स्टिल वी आर प्रीटी गुड. आई मीन आई वुड से अगर आज भी मनाली पहुंच जाते हैं देन वी विल बी ऑन ट्रैक. सो या दैट्स द प्लान. ऑलराइट गाइज, सो मिलते हैं आगे कहीं. अगर कुछ अच्छा व्यू आता है तो आई विल शो यू गाइज. ओके बाय. Oh, so what is the plan? Where will you stay today? Oh, camping. Amazing. Good, good, good. So is this your first visit or you are
No, I've been in India before.
and done this route before?
No, this is the first time.
Oh, amazing.
Have you been here before?
Yes, yes.
How is it?
It's good, but till Sarchu you will find bad roads. I think after Keelong,
Yeah,
there is a place called Keelong.
yeah.
After that you will find broken roads. It's completely off-road
After Keelong.
after Keelong. So if you plan to stay at Keelong,
Yeah,
then it is good. Keelong or maybe Jispa, you can stay at Jispa as well.
place to stay.
Yeah,
Dabba or hotel or something.
yeah, there are hotels and you can also camp there as well.
Ah.
It's very good near to valley.
Yeah,
So we are planning to stay at Jispa today.
yeah. Nice.
And then if you plan to go ahead, then there's the next, because after Jispa I think you will have 2 major high mountain passes.
It's after Jispa.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you will start climbing up
yeah,
and you will find 2 high mountain passes.
yeah. They're quite close together.
Yes, I think once is Baralachla and the other one is Tanglangla.
Ah,
So both of them are above 16,000.
okay. And Rotang?
Rohtang, oh, you are planning to do Rohtang?
Yeah,
Rohtang is fine, you can do it.
fine.
But the climb is steep. The climb is steep.
Yeah,
Rohtang climb is steep. So you'll have to do Rohtang climb and then you'll descend down.
yeah,
But for that now we have a tunnel if you want to cross.
yeah.
But you will do Rohtang, right?
Yeah, I came here to do the passes. I have,
Okay.
I have time to get to Leh,
Okay.
and it sounds like between here and Leh there are dabbas and hotels. I can get food and water.
Yes, definitely.
All the way.
No, you will get it.
Yeah.
But you will get around, I think, Jispa, then Sarchu,
Yeah.
Pang. You will get hotel, homestays, camps, and after Pang, I think there is one place called Debring. In Debring, you will find food.
Yeah.
Then after that, it will be a little difficult, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, my partner was on this road. She did it, but 16 years ago.
Oh.
So she remembers there was nothing.
Yes.
She's like, oh, make sure this and this, and I'm like, babe, it looks like a pretty touristic place now. You know?
Nowadays, yeah, yeah.
But, you know, I mean, 50 kilometers, I'll find something, right?
Yes,
If I
yes.
travel 50 kilometers each day, I can find food. And,
Definitely, definitely.
yeah,
But do carry some energy bars or something, right?
Yeah, I have a bag full of food.
Oh, good, good.
I have supplies.
Okay, all right.
Enough for a couple of days. UK. UK.
UK. Oh, where in UK?
Manchester.
Manchester. Nice, nice.
Huh? You both work for Nationwide. Ah.
Yeah.
You work for
Nationwide Building Society.
Nationwide.
Yeah.
Really? Wow. Amazing. So this
Yes.
is like a holiday. Right?
Yes, yes.
Nice.
We walked like 3 years back.
In Delhi.
Yes, in Delhi.
This is nice bike also. Yeah. They just started to make these in India now.
Yeah,
I saw a showroom in Chandigarh.
yeah. Java.
Nice. Yeah, great.
All right.
On the road, huh?
Yes.
So I think looking at the side, if I do road time,
Yeah.
it's about 40k to the top
Yes.
and then down.
Yes.
Maybe
So-
I'll do that in a day, huh?
Yes, you can. Yeah. And then you can.
Stay at Mahi.
No. So, Rohtang is 46 kilometer from here,
Yeah,
and then you descend down.
yeah,
So I think that will be another 20 kilometers.
yeah.
Then when you will descend down, there is a place called as Koksar. Koksar. There is a place called as Koksar. You can stay there. It will be almost 70 to 80 kilometers for you.
Yeah,
I think that's enough, right?
yeah. I mean, it's already at lunchtime.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
we'll see.
All right.
What's road tank? About 4,000 meters? 15,000?
Yes.
Feet?
Yes.
And then it goes down?
Yes.
Yeah, I have to acclimatise today.
Yes.
And you went by Mahi before?
Yes.
Mahi's what, 3,000?
Yes.
It's on the way up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe tonight I'll stay there and then go over.
Yeah.
So I have no hurry. It's only, I mean, it says there 423 kilometres.
Yes.
8 days.
8
I'll be
days.
there, right?
Yeah. Or maybe before 8 days, I think. Maybe before 8 days you will be there. The road after Pang is very good.
It's rough.
Yeah. No, it's till Pang it's rough. After Pang, it's very good. The roads are very good. Eagle. Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, I average 50 kilometres a day in this territory, you know, these hills.
Sure.
One or two passes a day, that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. You see, the next day you will cross Baralachla. It's 140. The day after you will cross Baralachla.
So like the pass is really like every other day.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Then all the best.
Yeah, thanks.
Safe journey.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay.
James.
James. Okay, 1 second. Let's connect on. Are you on Instagram?
Yeah.
Definitely.
That's me.
Nice. All right.
Yeah.
All the best then.
Yeah, nice to chat, guys. And,
Same here.
enjoy the road.
Thank you. Bye bye.